Common and annoying blackheads occur when your pores become clogged with excess sebum and oil created by the sebaceous glands that keep skin supple and dead skin cells. The difference between a blackhead and a whitehead is simply whether or not the pore is open or closed. If the pore is open, the plug of sebum skin cells oxidizes as it is in contact with the oxygen in the air, which turns it black. Blackheads are not caused by dirt. Let's make that clear from the beginning. Scrubbing your face obsessively is not a good way to get rid of your blackheads, and is only going to make it worse, as you'll just end up drying out your skin. Here are natural ways to get rid of blackheads. 1. Facial steam. A person affected by blackheads can try boiling some water, putting it in a bowl, and then holding the affected area of their body over the bowl. In the case of the head and neck area, they can create a steam tent by putting a towel over their head to concentrate the steam onto their upper body. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very acidic and considered an astringent capable of drying out and shrinking the pores. Apple cider vinegar also helps reduce inflammation and has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed with 8 ounces of warm water can be applied directly to the affected skin and left on for 20 minutes. This routine can be repeated whenever the face is washed. 3. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is also acidic and works to dry out the skin and soak up excess oils. It also contains antibacterial compounds and helps reduce inflammation. Lemon juice can be used undiluted or diluted with equal parts water. In either case, it can be applied directly to the affected area of the body using a cotton pad or clean fingers and left on for 20 minutes. 4. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is known as both an anti-inflammatory and an antimicrobial. Many facial cleansers, washes, and toners contain tea tree extract. Pure tea tree oil extract can also be bought at most drugstores and applied directly to the affected skin using a clean finger or cotton pad. 5. Honey. Honey has powerful antibacterial properties. Its sticky, thick quality also means it smothers pores and stays in place, allowing it to seep deep into the skin. It can be used by heating a tablespoon of honey in the microwave for 15 seconds or until it is slightly warm to the touch. After the skin has been cleaned, the warmed honey can be applied directly and left on for 15 minutes. This routine can be repeated as often as necessary.